Napaka-conscious.
This portion is brought to you by PLDT YDSL Disc.
Off now. International performer Billy Crawford at Lufami Pinto. Isang buwan na raw mag-on.
Hindi naman, grabe. Kaibigan ko siya more than a month, pero hindi siya boyfriend.
That was said in the newspaper. Tapos, no, we're just friends. We hang out with the same crowd. Nakikita-kita kami, like, with a lot of people. So, no, hindi po totoo yun na 1 month na kami. Hindi po totoo yun.
Pero at this point, may posibilidad bang may mamagitan sa dalawa?
That's the last thing on my mind. Yun ang pinakahuli ko na sa utak ko ngayon. First of all, I'm here to really concentrate and focus on my job. Second, hindi ako nakatira dito eh. Mahirap eh. It's hard for me to start a relationship